Good morning, a rather good afternoon for me. Glad you're back with me again. Sorry I've been away for a couple of weeks. Been busy. I'm going to try to get a little more regular about this. I'm hoping to get maybe 4 videos up this week. The first one I want to talk about or work with you on is a video that talks about how we should let go of things that irritate us, I guess you'd say. And It's by a guy named Reverend Fleming. Hang on a second here. I'll tell you his first name. Just a minute. It's, the meditation is called Push My Button, and it's by a man named Austin Fleming. What I want to do is take a minute to get us dropped into the zone by relaxing, and then together we'll slowly work through this meditation he provided. I don't know who he is, but it's a really good meditation, one we can all use. So let's just take a minute here to close our eyes, get grounded. Start with your feet, relax them. Relax your legs. Take a deep breath. Relax your thighs. Breathe deeply. Relax your hips. Feel the seat you're sitting on. Just sink into it. Breathe deeply. With each breath, relax more and more. Now relax your trunk and your back. Just take some breaths. Breathe deeply. Imagine you're breathing in peace and imagine you're breathing out anxiety. Breathing in peace, breathing out stress. Place that collects a lot of tension in our shoulders. Relax your shoulders, let them slump down. Relax your upper arms, soften the muscle in your arms. Relax your lower arms and your hands. If they're rolled up in any way like a fist, release them. Now relax your neck. Let all tension go from your neck. And now relax your jaw. A lot of tension builds up in our jaw. Just let it all go away. Loosen up your jaw. Don't clench your teeth together. Just relax it. Imagine your whole facial muscles relaxing as you breathe slowly and deeply. Relax the area around your eyes and your forehead. Relax the top of your head, your scalp. Just relax. Now just take a couple minutes here and just breathe in. As you breathe in, say peace to yourself. The word peace in your mind. Imagine breathing out all stress and anxiety. Just slowly and prayerfully take this in. The push my buttons prayer. Lord, it's likely that sometime today someone will push my buttons. They will challenge my goodwill. They will misread my intentions. They will tick me off. They will try my patience. They will rattle my cage. They'll judge me in haste and test my kindness, or do everything I've said. Give me the grace I'll need at such times to respond with patience, to trust and to accept, to listen carefully, to reach out in peace, to be fair and just, to anticipate goodness in all my words and deeds. Lord, I know this is a lot to ask, but I need your help to do for others as I'd have them do for me. And then let's just end with this from Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. If we would read the secret history of our enemies, we would find in each one's life sorrow and suffering enough to disarm all hostility. And I think if we give those things some thought, we'll be in a much better place as a people, as individuals, as a society. You have a good day.